Hi dear eBay sellers, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about how to increase listing on eBay. This is very important aspect which usually face every eBay seller on his initial stages. I think so. This is not a tough job. Whenever you start your business on eBay on your initial stages, you should must pay attention towards the basic rules and regulations. You should always avoid from the violation of policy. The eBay policies are very strict. Whenever you don't pay attention towards the dispatching of the items in time, you don't pay attention towards the violations of the policies, you always get negative feedback. Always your customers open cases on eBay against you, then eBay will limit will decrease your limits. Okay, if you will pay attention towards all the uh, rules and regulations, you always follow the policy, you will always follow the you don't you never violate the policy of eBay, then eBay does not stop you and does not limit you. So whenever you wanna increase your limit, you must go towards the eBay seller hub, then overview, and then increase my eBay listing limit. Then automatically eBay will ask some questions and then increase your limit. Okay, thank you.